Greetings everybody. Just a quick question. How much do you think sports organizations lose due to piracy? Well, sports organizations lose approximately 28 billion worldwide annually due to unauthorized use of the content, which is an appalling number to be honest. For which we have created Sports Shield. It is a site for digital asset protection, particularly sports asset protection. Sports Shield just finds and fights sports theft. That is our motto. What we do, we combine a powerful technology using perceptual fingerprinting with legal protection, that is our built-in DMCA notice generator and ownership certificate system. There are multiple ways where you can get started. You can simply join your Instagram, Dropbox, Google Drive, Getty, ESPN and Shutterstock account, and you can monitor over 150,000 sports assets daily. You can take action, you can upload photos, videos, broadcasts, designs, art, and find out how your data is being exploited elsewhere. And you can flag those sites, and then you can either generate revenue from them, or you can see if that use is unlicensed. Before we dive into the proper features, I would like to introduce you to a new feature that we have added, that is scan from WhatsApp and no app needed. Basically, you can just use a WhatsApp bot and connect to Sports Shield, wherein you don't even have to get to the site. You can simply, from your phone itself, from the comfort of your laptop itself, you can just go to WhatsApp, open the from the link, you can open the chat, and then you can simply upload an image and get responses within 30 seconds, which are correct, as you can see here. Alright, so let me just give a demo of the site first. There are different pages. There is a features page where you can read what features are available. You can see certificate demo, you can see analytics. There's an analytics dashboard that is different for every person, or you can see a community analytics dashboard that has been made for everybody. There is a resources page wherein you can see what resources we provide. There's a community page, the dashboard that I was talking about, wherein different people can upload the results of the pirated checks that they made, and they can share it with the world. Also, once we find that a URL has been copying, for example this URL has been copying or we found an unauthorized use here of the original image, we will flag it. So if I go to the verify URL and I enter that URL here, then we'll find out that this URL is actually you making unauthorized use of a certain content, and then you will find out whether or not it is a good URL or not in that terms. Alright, so we'll be joining free first. So I already have an account, so I'll be using that. Alright, so we're here. As I've already showed you the community dashboard, I've shown you the analytics page. Here is the settings page wherein you can just upload a photo, your details, and you can find what level of confidence you want before Sports Shield gives you an answer back. For example, if you said something is like, if the system isn't sure, like if it is 61% sure that the image is an unauthorized version of your copy, you can simply set this threshold, and if that is okay with you, then we'll even give you answers relating to that stands with this level. Otherwise, if you want like to be sure, you can go to 91 and something like that. Alright, so we'll test by uploading something. We'll just upload a file. Let me just go to a file. Let me go to a different file than the last one. I'll go to this file and then I'll just start it. I can either choose to share it on the community dashboard or not. I'll choose to share it, and then I'll just register and start monitoring. It will take quite a bit because the image is being processed. Alright, so I'll just go on the dashboard and I'll check. The scanning is in process right now. Yes, so there have been unauthorized copies detected based on the confidence level that I shared. See, since I made I made a very lower standard for the confidence, so I have found a lot of copies. So this is Sports Shield, an app that protects your assets, flags your URLs that are bad, and finds out where your content has been used in an unauthorized way. Hope you liked it. Thank you.